We're really proud that our candles are not only made here on our farm here in Texas, but even the glass is American made. Our wicking involves straightening the wicks, attaching them to the bottom so that they don't come out, but most importantly that there's no lead in these wicks and that they're very, very clean burning. The labeling will list not only the fragrance that you've chosen, but it will have the burn times on there, which are exceptionally long. All of our fragrances carry through not just on our candles and our wax melts, but throughout our entire product line of Bath & Body and any of the fragrances. The wax is a soy blend that we've had specially formulated from us, and we receive from Houston on a monthly basis. Our Freshies use the same high quality fragrance that we do in our other fragrance products. We mix the fragrances, we add them to our beads and seal them, allow them to age. We fill them in our forms, cook them in the ovens, and then we pull them from the forms and string them, bag them, seal them, and label them. All of our lotions are custom crafted and individually bottled. We use the same facility for bottling our liquid soaps, our antiseptic hand rubs, our shampoos, conditioners. They all have very clean labels. The capping and boxing and labeling is all done on equipment, much of which is even made here in Texas. We carefully pick and pack all of the products that you've ordered, and we observe all of the CDC and COVID guidelines so that your product is received in as clean a state as is possible. We work hard to keep plenty of inventory so that it's in stock when you order, and we ship out daily with UPS.
I'm a pickin'.
And I'm a grinning.
And we're packing.
Our staff is here to help you from 8 to 5 Texas time, Monday through Friday. Any questions that you have about product or shipping, we're glad to get on that and help you immediately.